We are pleased to show you the 2024 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.